Today I would like to review GreyNoise block. GreyNoise block is designed to provide IP lists that can be used for firewall blocking based on observations made by the GreyNoise Global Observation Grid. Reviewing the GreyNoise block UI, we first see a list of available pre-built templates that can be used for blocking IP addresses. Each one of these templates provides a different query of the GreyNoise data to generate these IP block lists. You can review different ones based on different vendors or attack types that have been observed and tagged by GreyNoise. Once you've chosen which template you'd like to deploy, you simply click on it and can review the stats for that particular query and block list. If you decide you want to move forward with that one, simply click Block these IPs. You can go ahead and give your block list a name, and then if you desire, you can limit how many IP addresses will be returned by that block list if it's required by your firewall. Once all the settings are correct, hit Create Block Lists. If we view our current block list, we can see that this one is currently in the provisioning state. Provisioning can take approximately 15 minutes, so please be patient and wait until it says enabled before you copy it and put it into your firewall. Additionally, each one of the pre-built templates can be edited based on other desired settings. For example, by default, this includes a 7-day lookback for the Mirai botnet. If I wanted to change that to 10 days, I could change that to a 10-day filter and then block based on that query. You can also create a block list from scratch based on all of the available options in the Builder UI. If I then click over to My Block Lists, I can see all of the different block lists that I currently have available and provisioned in my account. From here, I can go ahead and select to either copy the block list URL with or without credentials built into the URL. If I copy the URL standalone, I will need to provide a header-based authentication using the API key defined at the top of the table here. If I would like to use authentication built directly into it, I can copy with the key button. Your account settings will provide basic information about your current subscription and your profile. And there's also a documentation section to walk you through all of the basics of how the block lists work. Once you've defined a block list that you're ready to implement, simply copy that URL and switch over to your firewall. I'm going to use a Sophos firewall to add a new third-party threat feed. I can click the Add button, give this a new block list name, and then in the external URL, I can go ahead and paste in that copied value. For right now, I'm just going to monitor these, make sure I'm indicating that it is a set of IPv4 addresses. Because my authentication is built into the URL, I don't need to select authentication, and I can choose how often I want to poll. And I'm going to set this to 30 minutes. I'm going to test the connection. Once all the settings are correct, and confirm that it is successful, and then save it. And I've now implemented that block list within the firewall, and in a moment it'll show the total number of IP addresses. If you have any questions or want further information about the GreyNoise block product, please reach out to block@greynoise.io. Thank you and have a great day.